Looking to showcase your products or services with a clean and customizable pricing list on your WordPress site? In this video, we are diving into the pricing list block from Blocks, perfect for creating stylish menus, service list, or product catalog with ease. Whether you are highlighting items with image, tags, or interactive flip effects, I'll guide you through setting it up and customizing. So let's dive in. Before we start, make sure the default WordPress Gutenberg block editor is active on your site. And make sure to install the Blocks free plugin. Step 1. Install and activate the Blocks free plugin. To do that, go to Plugins, click on Add Plugin. Then in the search bar, search for Blocks. This is the plugin. Click on Install Now. Once done, click on Activate. Step 2. Activate the pricing list block. To do that, go to Blocks, then Blocks, and search for pricing list. This is the block, enable it, and click on Save Settings. Let's see the settings of pricing list block from Blocks. Under content type, you will find 3 predefined styles for your pricing list. Each will add unique style to your list. You'll find simple, modern, and classic styles. We'll check all of them one by one. Let's continue with the simple one. From the alignment, you can align the content. Then from the title, you can add a title for the pricing list. Then from the tag section, you can add tags. You can add multiple tags separated by pipe separator. Then from the price field, you can add a price. In the description, you can add a description. Now let's say the modern option. For that, we will use this example. This will create a flipbox style pricing list. From the box align, you can align the content in the box. Then from the hover effect, you can add a horizontal flip or a vertical flip. Again, you can add title, tag, price, description as per your requirement. Now let's see the classic option. In this style, you can add title, tags, price, description. For this style, you will find this image tab. From here, you can add an image. Then from the image mask section, you can add a mask to the image like this. You can even add custom mask as well. Let's select none for now. In the style tab, you will find all the styling options required to customize this block. From the title tab, you can adjust the title typography. You can even add global typography as well. You can adjust the title color, background, padding. Then from the line tab, you will find this style option for the classic style only. From here, you can select the border type. You can adjust the border color, border width. We'll see this price tab only if you have added a price. From here, you can adjust the price typography, price text color, background, border radius, padding. Similarly, if you have added a description, then we'll say this description tab. From here, you can adjust the description typography, description text color, background, border radius, padding. If you have added an image, then we'll say this image tab. From here, you can adjust the image style. You can set minimum width, maximum width. You can adjust the right space. You can adjust border radius, box shadow. Then from the background option, you can adjust the background of this block. You can adjust the padding. You can adjust background, border radius, box shadow. You will see different background option for the selected style. For example, for the modern style, you will find a different background option. Here you will find 2 tabs, front and back. So you can add different background for the front side and back side. On the front, you can adjust the background. You can add background color, gradient color, or a background image. You can add border radius, box shadow. On the back, you can again add a different background color, gradient color, or an image like we have added over here. Then you can adjust border radius, box shadow as well, separately for the back side. In the advanced, I will find some additional styling options to style the container of this block, which we have covered in a separate video. So that's it for the pricing list block. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and do subscribe to the channel for more content like this.